Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the system. Disconnect the battery and relieve fuel pressure so nothing feeds the carb while you work. Once done, remove the airbox and any throttle or choke linkages, then unbolt the float bowl and lift the bowl out gently to expose jets. Keep parts organized in labeled trays so reassembly is straightforward. This early care prevents spills and makes the rest of the procedure faster and safer. You now remove all jets, needles, and gaskets to get direct access to clogged passages. Inspecting each part helps you decide what to replace versus clean. Then soak the metal components in a carburetor cleaner or 70% isopropyl for 15 to 30 minutes to dissolve varnish from ethanol residue. After soaking, scrub with a soft brush and blow passages with compressed air. If a passage remains blocked, use a correct size pick carefully to avoid enlarging the hole. You finish by replacing any brittle gaskets or O-rings and lightly oiling seals so they seat properly. Failing to do this invites leaks. Reinstall the carburetor components in reverse order, torque bolts to specification, and reconnect fuel and battery. Once you start the engine, check for leaks and correct idle or mixture settings. If performance is still poor, make sure a stubborn jet wasn't missed and plan to re-clean or replace.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.